Today we are reviewing some health activity gadgets, guys. First one is very simple but important, very important. This is for who not compromising the health activities day or night. It is the arm band LED. If you used to run in the night, then this is the gadget for you guys. To prevent the frightening brakes bang, from the lightning vehicles, you better take this one. It comes with multiple colors, so you can wear it both hand or single hand, it doesn't matter. But it makes to be seen when running, jogging, cycling, walking in the dark, in the roadside or in the highways. So it is a better to wear it. And it's very lightweight, very light, very light, 25 grams only. So also you can wear it, so easily you can fit with any arm sizes. Easy to use, very easy to use design this. Comes with adjustable shoulder straps, and also you can wear it in the leg or arms, wherever you like, you can wear it. So you can wear it multiple colors as well, so that is up to you. 3 flashing modes. One is flashing, frequent flashing, slow flashing, and steady light, and again off. And it comes with 2 replaceable batteries, and easily it will work for 2 to 3 months. It can be considered best gift for those who do outer sports in the dark most of the time. Total length is 35 centimeter, and it's splash proof, so happy jogging. But this comes with very cheap rate. Also I will give the link in the description below. If you like, you can check it out. Compression wrist guard. I purchased this to get relief from my wrist pain, and I'm using this one for last 6 months. First you see this material, it's very soft, guys, and it gives a good grip as well, and it has a 3-layer protection. This is one and this one, and there is elasticities here. It's definitely restricting the wrist movement excessively. Usually you will bend like this, but it will restrict up to this much. So you will get some kind of good pain relief and good support in your wrist as well. And this is very lightweight, and it's a breathable material. So that is the good point. Otherwise it might feel very wet in your wrist. So that will be annoying, but it's very comfortable to wear, guys. The design is just perfect, you know. The fingers can move very easily. I can show you. If you are wearing like this, so here, so it has a good grip, you know, here. So fingers you can move freely. When you are holding something, it's giving a good grip, guys. When you hold something like this, it's giving a very good grip, you know. When you are doing some exercises, you will feel very comfortable. It's not giving too much room to bend anything more like this. Now you can see the same way. So it is giving a good support in your this wrist area. And this one you can feel this nerve, it's taking, but this one it is giving a very comfortable. Not only that, guys, even if you are doing a lot of desk job, so you can use this one to prevent your wrist injuries when you are typing also. Finger also you can move freely to type out, so there is no any troubles, but it is giving a good grip and comfort. If you are doing a long hours desk job, I think it is one of the best you can choose it for. And this is only $2, guys, and there is a lot of different type of materials. I think different brands, it's available in the market. You can choose which design based on your preferences, but always you have to select the finger comfortability in the wrist guard. I given the link in the description below. If like, please check it out. And guys, I like to thank you for your supports but I will be more happy if you press the subscribe button as well. I used to go walking every night, and daily we do minimum 1 hour to 2 hours, so on. So when I continuously do the workout, the leg, especially in the knee, getting a bit of pain. So to get relief of the pain, I purchased this knee guard. Personal experience, I am sharing you this review, guys. This is called knee pad or knee guard, open patla knee support, whatever you call it. It is so simple. Breathable fabric here in the front side also, like that. And the back, when you see, very firm, very good. Breathable, very smooth when you are wearing also. In the middle there is a hole, getting your knees perfectly, knee cup perfectly. So the knee cup will get movement little bit with the support. So you won't feel any pain in it. So when you are walking or jogging, you will feel very much stiffness in your leg. And here you see the corners, it is stitched very well. So you will not get any itching or any disturbing effect when you are wearing it. You can wear it on top of your tracksuit or otherwise straight away legs as well. Previously I used knee cap, but that was too much trouble to me. It was very much discomfort. When you are doing your workouts, it's giving too much heat. You will feel the heat in your knees. So I was so much disturbed. After that I purchased this one. This is very comfortable, guys. You won't feel the heat, and also after 1 or 2 hours workout, you don't get any moisture in the leg side also. So that also one good thing. It has 3 straps. One is here, one is in the middle, one is in the bottom. And the comfortable level, you can adjust, you can fasten these straps. And it fits very perfectly. Perfect for even sports like volleyball, basketball, cricket, etc. Totally I am satisfied with this product. Definitely I will recommend this one. It's available in many varieties and many brands, and also AliExpress, Amazon and Flipkart, what other sites, online sites, most of the sites it is available. So, and the price ranges are from $1 to $25, but this one I purchased for $5. So I give the link in the description below. If you like, you can check it out. And if you like this video, leave your comments below and give a thumbs up. We'll see you next interesting video. Until then, bye bye. Thanks for watching.